In this video, we're going to show you how to enable online payments in Housecall Pro step by step. If you're new to Housecall Pro, don't worry, this will be a simple guide that'll get you up and running with online payments in no time. Stick around because we'll also reveal a special offer for a completely free trial and some exclusive bonuses to get you started on the right foot. To start enabling online payments in Housecall Pro, you'll need to integrate a payment processor. Housecall Pro supports multiple payment options, including Stripe, so let's walk through setting it up. Head to your Housecall Pro dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. From there, select Payments under the Business Settings tab. This is where you'll be able to manage all your payment options. Once you're in the payment settings, you'll see an option to connect to Stripe. Click on the Connect button, which will redirect you to the Stripe setup page. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you'll be prompted to create one. It's a simple process. Just fill in your business details and bank account information so payments can be processed securely. Once your Stripe account is connected to Housecall Pro, you'll have the option to turn on online payments. This means your customers can pay directly from the invoices you send through the platform, making it easier for both you and your clients. Make sure to enable the online payment toggle so that customers can pay via credit card, debit card, or ACH transfers. It's worth noting that you can customize the payment options your clients see, including whether they can pay at the time of booking or only after the job is completed. This gives you flexibility in how you manage payments, depending on your business model. Now, with payments enabled, you can create and send invoices directly through the Housecall Pro app, and customers can click a simple Pay Now button to settle their bills. This streamlined payment system is not only convenient for your customers, but also helps you get paid faster and with fewer follow-ups. But that's not all. Housecall Pro also offers an additional layer of automation that you can use to collect payments. You can set up automatic payment reminders for your clients, making it even easier to collect payments on time without needing to manually follow up. If you're new to Housecall Pro, the software also allows you to easily track your payments and even set up recurring billing for ongoing services. All of this can be managed in one place, making it easier to focus on running your business, while Housecall Pro handles the back-end processes. And remember, if you're just getting started with Housecall Pro, you can try it out for free with the link below, where we've arranged an exclusive offer just for you. That means no upfront costs to explore all these powerful features and get a better sense of how they can streamline your payment processing. In conclusion, enabling online payments in Housecall Pro is a simple but powerful way to enhance your workflow, save time, and improve your customer experience. If you're not already using Housecall Pro for your business, don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and remember to take advantage of that extended free trial to get Housecall Pro up and running with online payments today.